almond milk, folks.
Almond milk.
Do-it-yourself Dell with our good friend Matt and frequent contributor. We're going to be reviewing 3 different almond products. Difference between these two is one is unsweetened and one is sweetened, and then we've got this one in the middle, which does not require refrigeration, by the way, until you open it. So you could, if you're in the middle of Alaska or someplace, you could stock up on a whole bunch of these and drink them when you're ready. So Matt?
I pretty much only drink dairy milk. I'm really not looking forward to this unsweetened milk here. You know, I feel like it's just going to be flat. It's just going to be...
It's vanilla, though.
Unsweetened vanilla with other natural flavors. So yeah, with this Blue Diamond brand, it advertises 50% more calcium than dairy milk. And I'm assuming that comes from the almonds? Or where does that come from? Well, we'll start off with this jug here. This original Almond Breeze. So this one here, this one you don't have to box. This one is an organic brand. This is the 365 Whole Foods Market brand. Give it a pour there. And actually, hold that mug up for the camera there. DIYDell.com. Yeah, we actually have
our website.
We have a bit of a merch store going on. You can get hats, you can get shirts, you can get stuff, something special like that.
You at home could be the proud owner of one of these do-it-yourself Dell cups. And we've got a hat, we've got a shirt, and the shirt comes in different colors, and I think there are other things, there's other items.
Yeah, short sleeve, long sleeve.
Yeah, short sleeve shirts, different colors. So that's another facet of the operation that we...
Alright, so since we're doing 3 milks, we're going to organize them best to worst. That's actually not bad. I thought I tried one before that was horrible that I just didn't like at all, but that's not one of these 3.
In the past, I have drank this style of milk in these types of containers, where I said that they don't have to be refrigerated until you open them. So I'm used to this product.
This is the organic milk.
And this one's going to be warm.
And the organic label, I guess, just for viewers out there who don't know, that's more like based on how how the product is produced.
Yeah, to get that organic label, there's some strict rules that have to be followed. But on the back, there's a recipe for a dark chocolate smoothie.
Yeah, I know. I definitely prefer colder stuff. It's less calories than a cup of milk would be.
Yeah, here's
60 calories.
There's the calories.
Yeah, and of course some sugar in there to sweeten it up, but
a little sugar.
That won't make or break your deal, I don't think.
Not a deal killer. As far as the taste, like I said, I'm used to this.
That's really interesting.
So it's a lot of products that I have to eval. I don't know what it is. I never had it before, but this I've had it and kind of like it. I'm sitting right here.
Yeah, I guess so far I'd more consider switching to this milk than this one, just because this one has a more fuller taste. We'll try our last milk here. This is the unsweetened Almond Breeze here, and it's vanilla flavored. Oh, and this one has the lowest calorie count out of all of these, with only 30 calories for a serving.
Gotta pull the pin. I'll show the camera here. It's practically everything free, so all the bad things are not in this product. So this is obviously my favorite, and it's the flavor that I would pick out, unsweetened vanilla. So we kind of arranged these products and according to what we knew ahead of time would be probably our favorites. So I don't have anything against any of these products. I like them all, but I have a little bit more of a tendency to like this one a little bit more. But I'm good with all of them.
I'm putting this one as the best one. Gotta say, I actually like the vanilla. Surprisingly compensated for the no sugar more than I thought it would. So yeah, so this is my order here. The unsweetened actually kind of takes over for this one.
I think too the idea of the milk coming in that package, something that you're kind of more used to down through the years, gives it a certain kind of confidence in the product, because it's not these. This is definitely different for drinking your milk, and this while this
Like
these
this one's
were-
a box of chicken broth. You're like, what the heck?
it's the same color too, but it's obviously a different product. But yeah, this one's too, especially when it's nice and cold like that. Then it's just, you can't beat it. Especially your milk guy. You grow up a little kid with milk and cookies or whatever, and milk and cereal, and something you get acclimated to.
Yeah, I actually didn't hate any of these, surprisingly. It wasn't like I drank it and wanted to dump it right in the garbage right away. But yeah, this one was by far the best, just because it had the best flavor profile, I think.
So is
With the almonds, with
a kind of a common thread on this channel is we're trying to give the public something of value. So we're trying to elucidate these products and give our pros and cons. That's something that to help you evaluate. It might be something that you might like and you might want to try, or it might be something that might not be for you in any way, shape, or form. We're trying to help you out there. Save you the money if it's not for you, but if it's something you might want to try, then maybe you might want to give it a whirl.
yeah, and of course weigh the pros and cons and the costs of, integrating these products in your grocery bill, because, not everyone can afford the same luxuries as everyone else. So depending on your supply and depending on your budget, your monthly budget, then yeah, spend at your discretion, folks. So, alright. Yep, so, yeah, this one is the winner for sure. I'm actually gonna have another jug, another cup of this. That's that good. Winner, chicken dinner.
When they come to take you
That's
down,
the same thing.
Yeah,
when they bring that wagon
Almond
round,
milk, folks.
almond milk.
when they come to call on you and drag your poor body down.
Between them.
I already know I'm not gonna like the unsweetened ones.
Okay,
Just
well,
saying.
let's switch, because I like the unsweetened.
My little thing,